One of the really cool things that you can do with the distributive property is mental math, meaning you can sometimes multiply together very large numbers that you wouldn't otherwise be able to multiply without a calculator. So, for example, let's take something weird like 7 times 49. So 7 times 49 is maybe the kind of problem that I would not normally be able to multiply without a calculator. Maybe you can. Maybe you can do 7 times 49 without a calculator, but I can't. So I'm going to try to do this problem using the distributive property. Now I can't do 7 times 49, but what I can do is 7 times 50. Multiplying by something that's a multiple of 10, like 50, is pretty simple. But 7 times 50 is not the problem that I'm doing. I'm not doing 7 times 50, I'm doing 7 times 49. But what I can do is I can rewrite 49 as 50 minus 1, like so. And I can do 7 times 50 minus 1. And this is a problem that is not difficult to multiply at all. 7 times 50 is the same thing as 7 times 5 and just put a 0 on the end. So 7 times 5 is 35. So 7 times 50 is 350. And then 7 times 1 is 7. And then I just put this minus sign in the middle. So what I'm actually doing is 350 minus 7, which is 343. And so 7 times 49 is 343. Now there's another way I could do this using the distributive property. Let's go back to 7 times 49, because I can write 49 as 50 minus 1, but I could also write 49 as 40 plus 9. And that would get me the same answer as well. So let's try that. 7 times 40 is the same thing as 7 times 4 and put a 0 on the end. So 7 times 4 is 28. So 7 times 40 is 280. 7 times 9 then is 63. And guess what 280 plus 63 is? 343. Now I think doing 350 minus 7 is easier than doing 280 plus 63. So I think doing the 50 minus 1 is an easier math problem to do than 280 plus 63, but do whatever's easier for you, because as you can see, you get the right answer both ways.